There is nothing wrong with your computer monitor. Do not attempt to adjust the picture. You are about to participate in a great adventure. You are about to experience the awe and mystery which reaches from the inner mind to the history of the airliner. This is the Nova Airmada channel, and today we are covering the history of the British Airways Boeing 777-236 with the blue-tailed Landor livery from the 1990s. This aircraft was powered by two General Electric GE-90 series high-bypass turbofan engines, with each engine able to generate up to 77,200 pounds force, or 343 kilonewtons. Each aircraft can carry over 440 passengers in a single-class layout, or more normally in a mixed-class layout, around 305 passengers. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 482 knots, or 892 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 5,300 nautical miles, or 9,700 kilometers, with a standard payload. Originally, this 777-236 was delivered to British Airways on May 20th of 1996. The initial livery was the well-known British Airways blue-tailed Landor livery that British Airways wore in the 1990s. This aircraft received the name Sir Frank Whittle, the British inventor of the jet engine, who passed the same year this aircraft was delivered to British Airways. The aircraft received its only registration of Golf-Zulu Zulu Zulu Alpha. After 5 years of service with British Airways, in 2001 the aircraft received the Union Jack paint scheme while foregoing the World Tail scheme that other British Airways aircraft received during this time period. The aircraft would maintain this look until it was retired at the Ministry of Defence base at St Athan in Wales in 2020. While there, it received an interesting mural on its port side before it was scrapped there in 2022. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets version of this aircraft, released in 2005. This aircraft is produced in 1/200 scale by both In-Flight 200 and Flight Managers, with both models wearing the 1990s Landor scheme. If you like what you see, hit those like buttons and tell your friends and family about us. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. Thank you, and good day.